Understanding AI and its capabilities is essential in today's digital world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can help us in many ways, from personal assistance to business analytics. However, it's important to stay safe while using these technologies. First, let's talk about data privacy. AI often requires large amounts of data to function effectively. Always be cautious about the personal information you share online. Ensure that the platforms and services you use have strong privacy policies and data protection measures in place. Next, recognize and avoid AI-generated misinformation. AI can create convincing fake news, images, and videos. Always verify information from multiple reliable sources before believing or sharing it. Ethical considerations are also crucial. Be mindful of how you use AI tools. They should enhance our lives without compromising the rights and dignity of others. For instance, using AI for surveillance without consent can be intrusive and unethical. Securing your personal data from AI applications is another important step. Use strong, unique passwords for different accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Regularly update your software to protect against vulnerabilities. In summary, AI offers incredible benefits, but we must use it responsibly. Understand its capabilities, protect your data, verify information, and consider the ethical implications. By taking these steps, we can safely navigate the AI-driven world. Stay informed, stay safe, and make the most out of AI technology.